everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to create a class schedule so that you can print it and stick it onto your wall or anywhere. So let's get started. And today I'm going to be using Canva as usual, and what you have to do is click more. When you will see class schedule, so just click on that. When you click on more, there are a lot of what to say productivity things. You can create your own calendar. If you want to pin it up somewhere, you can create a worksheet planner, whatever you want. And of course, as usual, it has lots of templates. You can choose any one of those. So there are pro ones as well, like that. You can change the school name. Then we have those. All of those are very, what to say, I like those very much, I guess. You can change the name. You can, if you don't want this semester thingy, if you don't want that, you can just delete that. Then you can move it upwards, just like that. If you don't want the circle here, if you want it here, you can just move that. Yes, if you don't want this thingy, delete it. You can do anything like that in here, and when you're done, just click the download button and you can print it out if you want, or if you want to just keep it like as a soft copy, you can do that as well. It's up to you. And yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.